showcasing some of the interactive dashboards the city has developed. Our planning and engineering business users leverage these dashboards to review parking usage in 6 zones in the city each month. We built these dashboards to allow the end users to interact with the data, giving them the ability to answer their own questions, as opposed to having a static report that they couldn't interact with. This dashboard showcases parking data from our eXactpark deployment. Our end users can select specific zones, specific days. They can focus on parking on the north sides of the street or the south side of the street, and they can quickly see parking utilization compared to availability. In this case, I've picked 3 zones for the month of March, and although this is test data, you can quickly see day over day the parking utilization didn't really exceed more than 50% of the available parking. You can also quickly see trends. So these low bars are actually Sundays. You click on here, you can see Sunday the 17th, Sunday the 24th. Those are the days that represent the least amount of parking. Switching into a second dashboard, this allows the end users to drill into things at the spot level. Again, we offer the end user the ability to change the day, the time, so any number of stalls can be viewed. You can pick 2024, March, and let's just pick zone 3 in this case. So you can see you've gone from, looking at 18 million minutes of parking down to 317,000. So this gives the end user the ability now to see at the stall level. So you can see the stalls on the north side of the street have a lot more parking duration than the stalls on the south side of the street. And you can see these stalls on the left-hand side. These are also on the north-hand side of the street, but they don't have near the amount of vehicles. So in this case, our stall N48 in front of the subway had 666 vehicles parked in the month of March 2024 for a total of 13,405 minutes. So again, allows the end user to identify trends, what's occurring, and are the spots being utilized, and when are they being utilized.